Hello everybody, this is Fairface 3. Today I'm going to be showcasing a mod. It's called Diamond Rain. Okay, first, let's go play. Let's see, it's new. So I just do it like that. I'm just doing a mod. And you're probably thinking like, thinking like, how am I gonna do this? Like Diamond Rain. Why I'm doing it in survival, why not in creative? Well, guess what? All you need is a stick. Let me think I have the mod on. Yep, okay. Okay. And say really suck at Minecraft. First, all you have to do is diamonds. Yeah. So each tap 50. See? Looking at a craft table. Anywhere? You see it in my on this. No. That. And diamond armor. Yeah, you can do that the whole time. Yay! Okay, so yeah, talking about my survival island, the one I did, that one I accidentally released that one. So, we're gonna keep that. So I'm gonna make a new one. And if you want me to do mods in it, have mods in it, just put it in the comments, and I'll see you all later. Good.